Hello friend, today we will give you a very interesting and fantastic puzzle which can be solved only with brilliancy. See the position on the board carefully. White has bishop knight and this pawn can be promoted. So here your challenge is white to play and win. Can you find the way? Can you give right continuation for white to play and win? If you accept this challenge, then pause this video here and try to solve it. If you want to see the answer, then continue with us. Now we are giving you the solution of this puzzle. Here, this move, pawn move, seems right, but it is not winning. If white plays, let's say d7 and try to promote queen, it is a wrong choice. This is not winning. Let's say if d7 is played, then black will promote queen, b1 queen, then if queen check, then king will go to a7, king c6. What to do? Here black will give check, b7 check, then king will go to c5 and here ng3, threatening to take this bishop. Now what white can do here? If white gives check, let's say on a5, then king will go to either b here or he can play queen here. All and game is drawn. Let's say king here. If queen is here on d8, queen c8 check, queen cross queen, king cross this and bishop cross pawn and bishop cross bishop, king cross bishop, and white cannot win. This is not a winning way. We will take back, and here white cannot win this game. We will take back the position. This was the position. Here white uses a winning idea. He plays n c3. See this move? Now black cannot promote this pawn to queen. If this knight is not taken, is not captured, he will promote queen and wins the game. So what to do? Only option for black is to capture this knight. So black takes with pawn. Now bishop d3. Again bishop is sacrificed. Now black cannot promote this pawn. If he takes, let's say pawn cross this bishop. Now this rank is cleared. Fourth rank is cleared. This pawn is transferred to c3 and this pawn c4 is transferred to here d3, vacating this square, d4 square. Now queen, white will promote queen, check, and he will use this square, check and mate. Now black is in mating net. See this position. These two pawns are transferred here and here. Here white plays d7, then if queen is promoted, then queen check, only move, queen d4 check, and whatever black moves, he will play queen on a4 mate. Let's say king a6, queen a4 mate. So in this puzzle, this rank, fourth rank is cleared and making the way for his queen from d8 to d4 and then a4, transferring the queen on this, and black is mated. So here, if you like the content of this video, then please comment and share with your friends. Hit the like button. Keep watching Gupta Chess 15. Thank you.